this scenario.
The Behavioral Health Support Program is this cutting-edge teaching method that Department of Mental Health and the Missouri Council for Behavioral Health designated a few community colleges across Missouri to better train for a position called a community support specialist. And that's a frontline position meeting people in the community with severe and persistent mental illness.
It's a best first step into the behavioral health field. One of the key roles across the Department of Health is a community support specialist. That's the most common title. And historically, you would need a bachelor's degree, say for example, in psychology, but this BHS degree, the behavioral health support degree, the 2-year degree, actually allows you to enter in without the 4-year degree. This degree actually trains you to do the work and has practicums. So you're getting not only coursework, but you're also doing 300 hours of practicum work in the field in 2 years.
As a former community support specialist working for a nonprofit in the St. Louis County area, I'm so passionate about teaching learners the skills that I learned in the field, giving back to the field that I love, because it's not about myself, it's not about the next person, it's about the field as a whole, and it's about helping people and meeting them where they are. And this program does a great job at teaching you how to do that in a manner that is respectful, that is professional, that is quality, that is to the standard.
So I got into behavioral health because I've always been a giver. I've always wanted to help people and helping them get to their best, whatever that looks like, in a healthy manner. The experience with the program here at St. Louis Community College has been life-changing. I've learned a lot. It takes 2 years for you to get this degree. You can work with young people, old people. You can just work with anybody. It's a great program. We need more mental health care professionals.
My favorite thing about the program is the real-world value of it, and that goes with the content of the courses and even more specifically the instructors. I have a rather unique perspective because I'm already in the field and I'm doing this work every day. But I can't tell you how many times I have gone to an evening class and made a note of something and said, I'm going to use this tomorrow. And then tomorrow at work, I used it. And I feel myself getting better at my job from what I'm learning. Many of the professors are in my field, people that I just love to learn from because I know that what they're teaching us is real because they do it.
It's important that we offer this program at St. Louis Community College because St. Louis City and St. Louis County have a high demand for this level of workforce, really all levels of mental health care. There are so many jobs and so many people in need, and so for us to be able to provide that launching pad at STLCC to get people on the career of their dreams is the most rewarding part. I like to tell people your entire day, your entire job working is to make people's lives better, and that's why they come to the program.